How to fix image thumbnails are not showing in Windows 11. So if you're unable to see the preview for your images and you're seeing an icon like this, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now, the first thing you can do is just go and open up your File Explorer and head over to the folder that you're seeing these icons in. You could then click on the three horizontal dots and click on Options. Now click on View and make sure Always Show Icons Never Thumbnails is unchecked, and then press Apply and OK. Now if that's not working, then close out of this window, open up the Start menu, and then search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows and click on this. Now where it says Show Thumbnails instead of Icons, make sure you have this option checked, and then press Apply and OK. If it's still not working, there's one final solution, so go and open up your Start menu again, search for Disk Cleanup and click on this tool here. Now scroll down and check the box next to Thumbnails and press OK. You can then press Delete Files. Once you've done this, you will need to restart your computer, and if you head back over to your images, you should now be able to see the image preview.